This is a card, and as you can see, it is by Benmo, Wind Pummel 2024 oil on board. Well, I'm here in Ikea to choose a frame, but this isn't like the big Ikea. This is a little small Ikea in Wenzhou, so they don't have the range of frames. I think it may be this one, but I don't know. Oh look, this one's broken. I promise I didn't break it, but let's see. Let's see. Maybe that'd work. I should have bought a measurement. They have if I remember, they have things here. I'll go and get a measuring tape. Yeah, I couldn't find a measuring tape, so I'm gonna have to sort of just try it and see. Maybe I'll get it out of the packet. I don't want to, but actually looking at it, it seems like it's exactly right. 25 by 25, right? So that looks perfect. So we'll get one of those and put it together when we're back home. Ikea, don't you just love it? Now I have to find my wife, put it in the basket. Okay, I've got it home. We got home. I've got the frame, the artwork, and so we're going to get it in the frame. I'm sat in my office or my studio or whatever you want to call it. What time is it? Coming up 6 o'clock in the evening. Been for a massage here in China because my back is killing me. Anyway, let's see if I can make something of this frame. Gonna go for the pop. Ooh, there it goes. Pop, pop, pop. So this 3D frame, I think, cost me 35 RMB, which is about £4. It's about £4, so I guess. It's got plastic here. It's got the marks on it here. I've got to go around the back and start pulling these things up to get it off. This is where they slip under your nail, and it's like torture. Okay, that's done, so we should be able to lift it off. Hooray! And of course we get the instructions. Yeah, that's very useful, as you can see. And here we have, so what we're going to do is to get the card out and lay it on that, see if we can get it somewhere central. This is a card, and as you can see, it is by Benmo, Wind Pummel 2024 oil on board. I've been watching him on YouTube. There's his address, and I think there was a vote about which one should be a card, and I voted for this one, so I thought I was duty bound to buy it, even though I'm in China. Well, it was posted to my sister's address in Scotland, and I picked it up this summer. But I've only just got round to framing it, so let's see how it's going to go. The first thing we've got to do is get the plastic cover off the plastic. So yeah, we're taking the plastic film off. Wow, it has it on two sides. Interesting. So I'm going to need 2 hands. See, we're getting it off. Try not to touch it because I don't want to put fingerprints on the screen. Let's see how difficult this is. I'm going to go back to 2 hands. Okay, so you can see how shiny it is. So now what we've got to do is to put this back on here. And place the card. I've got some very low tack. When I was in England, I bought some of this low tack masking tape because the masking tape we get here in China is really sticky. So I've got this low tack. So I will try my best to stick this so that it looks nice. And again, I'm going to need 2 hands. You can see with me just holding it, oops, I've moved it. It's sort of a perfect fit. Let me sort of try and get it back. Ooh. No, it's too difficult. But you see, I mean, you know, it's almost perfect. That's just me trying it with one hand, and I haven't stuck it yet. So yeah, let me stick it. No, I think I've pretty much got it in the right place. It's hanging off a bit, but let me complete this sort of rough job here, as you can see. So it might not be the best job in the world for some people, but I think it's not going to move. I've taped it down across. Let's have a look see if it has moved. And again, I think that's good because we can see where the paint has dripped over the edges. I think that's good. And I think, yeah, that's pretty central. That's pretty good. That's pretty nice. I like that. So let's get it finished. So I'm going to hang it. So I need the hanger at the top. Hanger at the top. I've got sticky stuff on my hands. And then we just do the business with the bendy bits of metal. And there you are, ladies and gentlemen. Benmo, the artist's work, framed and ready to be hung up. Maybe in our front room, maybe in my workshop here. Oh, my back is still hurting. Anyway, yeah, get onto his website and support the guy. He does good work. Bye bye. Not bye bye. Okay, there's just a little video of me. I mean, it's only a card because yeah, I would have liked to have bought sort of the real thing, but you know, I live in China. I mean, shipping it or getting it shipped to my sister, then coming back and bringing it back. But I'm happy with the postcard. I think it looks really good in the frame, albeit Ikea. You know, frame's a frame, and actually those little paintings, those little cards fit perfectly, as you can see. So yeah, so if you like this, please like, subscribe, share, and yeah, have a nice week. Getting into autumn now, so be nice colours around to paint. Bye bye.